Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to color grade your image using Lightroom. First of all, you need to install the application Lightroom. Open your Play Store and search for Lightroom. After install, After installing, open the application. Here you can see the images in your gallery. Choose the required image to edit. Here you can see the edit option on the bottom mid side. Tap on it. Here you can see the color option. Tap on it. Now you can see the grading option. Tap on the grading option and you can grade the colors in shadows and midtones and highlights. Select a color for shadows and adjust the intensity and adjust the blending and balance by swiping the tool. After grading the shadows, select highlights. Choose just opposite color taken in the shadows. Adjust the intensity and adjust the luminance, blending and balance. Now the image is graded by the colors you selected. By doing this, you can make your image more beautiful and attractive. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.